the arid, colorful landscape of Rajasthan, a unique art form continues to thrive, one that transcends time and place and draws upon ancient traditions of mimicry, transformation, and storytelling. This is the world of Bahurupia. The term Bahurupia comes from the Sanskrit word Bahu, meaning many, and Rupa, meaning form or appearance. It refers to a person who takes on multiple forms, embodying various characters and identities through the art of disguise. The Bahurupia is not just a performer, they are a master of illusion, capable of transforming themselves into deities, demons, animals, and legendary figures. At its heart, Bahurupia is a performing art that revolves around disguise, mimicry, and storytelling.
चश्मा की ओर ना देखिए करो, देखिए 2.5 लाख का चश्मा है, आपने ओरिजिनल चश्मा नहीं लगाया है, ये देखिए 2.5 लाख का चश्मा है.
The artists don a variety of costumes and use face paint, makeup, and exaggerated body language to change their appearance and assume different personas. A single artist might switch from a wise sage to a fierce warrior, or from a celestial deity to a mischievous creature, all within moments.
बहुरूपिया वो प्रदर्शनकारी कलाकार है जो जहाँ पे खड़ा होता है वहाँ पे रंगमंच बना देता है, गलियों में घूमता है, चौपालों में जाता है, चौगानों में जाता है, दुकानों के सामने जाता है, लेकिन जिस इलाके में वो खड़ा हो जाता है वहीं से उसका अभिनय शुरू हो जाता है, वहीं से उसकी कला शुरू हो जाती है। वो अभिनेता है, वो कॉस्ट्यूम डिज़ाइनर है, वो मेकअप मैन है, वो कवि है, शायर है, संगीतज्ञ है, यानी कुछ वाद्य भी बजा सकता है, गाता है, और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि वो हाजिर जवाबी होता है।
The origins of Bahurupia art trace back to the royal courts and village fairs of Rajasthan during the Mughal period in the 16th century. Initially, these artists were primarily performers who entertained kings and the elite, often using their skills to play pranks, deliver moral lessons, or even narrate mythological stories. However, the role of the Bahurupia extended far beyond mere entertainment.
तो हकीकत ये होता था कि हर राजा महाराजा दूसरे राजा से डरता था, इसलिए पहाड़ के ऊपर एक बिल्कुल खतरनाक जगह में किला बनता था, उस किले में रहता था वो महल बना के, और दूसरा राजा उस पर कब हमला करेगा इसके लिए उसका बहुरूपिया रूप बदल के घोड़ों का सौदागर बन के जाना, या जौहरी बन के जाना जवाहरात लेके, या ढाल तलवार बेचने वाला बन के जाना, और उनको वो चीज़ बाकायदा बेचना, और बेच के और उनसे इतनी मित्रता कर लेना कि उनसे पूछ लेना, भाई आप मतलब मान लो कि फलां राजा हो तो फलां पे आप कब अटैक करोगे और किन किन रास्तों से करोगे, रणनीति क्या रहेगी आपकी, वो जानकर और तुरंत बगैर खाना खाए पानी पिए वहाँ से चलना और अपने राजा को आके वो सारी चीज़ें बताना कि साहब फलां राजा आप पे इस वक्त पे इन रास्तों से और इस तरीके से उसकी ये रणनीति रहेगी, वो आप पे युद्ध करेगा और आप पे अटैक करेगा।
Life as a Bahurupia is both challenging and fascinating. These artists are often born into the tradition, with the skills passed down through generations. For many, it is a lifelong calling. They learn the intricate details of makeup, costume making, acting, and the subtleties of impersonation from an early age. The life of a Bahurupia is often nomadic. Artists travel from village to village, performing at fairs, festivals, and religious celebrations. For those traveling performers, their art is not only a way of life, it's also their means of survival. Earnings come in the form of offerings, tips, or commissions from local kings and nobles. At the core of the Bahurupia art form is the concept of transformation. Using skillful makeup techniques, artists can alter their appearance beyond recognition. The face paint, often made from natural pigments like turmeric, sandalwood, and ash, is applied in intricate patterns to represent the character's identity. Whether that's the fierce eyes of a demon or the serene face of a god. This transformation is not limited to the face alone. Artists wear elaborate costumes made from cloth, leather, and metal, often handcrafted to reflect the specific character they are playing. Body language, voice modulation, and even the pace of movement are adjusted to fully embody the persona.
जिसके हाथ में मेरा चराग, उसका मैं गुलाम, और फिलहाल मेरा चराग भगत जी के हाथ में है मेरे आका.
The Bahurupia tradition is as much about oral storytelling as it is about performance. Many Bahurupias are also keepers of ancient folk tales, mythological stories, and legends that have been passed down orally for centuries.
यार और मान से दुश्मनों के चक्कर छूट जाते हैं वीरों के नाम से.
These stories are often embedded with moral lessons or social commentary, making the performances not just entertaining but educational. The characters portrayed often have significant spiritual or moral symbolism. As such, Bahurupia performances are woven deeply into the cultural and religious fabric of Rajasthan. In villages and towns, they were the focal point of social gatherings. Their performances would often blend humor with wisdom and satire with reverence, offering entertainment but also social critique. Today, the Bahurupia art form faces significant challenges. With modern entertainment taking over, this ancient tradition has seen a sharp decline in popularity.
कोई भी कला जो है अगर समाज के द्वारा अप्रिशिएट की जाती है और समाज उसको कुछ अप्रिसिएशन के साथ साथ लाइवलीहुड के लिए कुछ दे देता है तो वो ज़्यादा सर्वाइव करती है. अब हुआ क्या है कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया के आने की वजह से जहाँ पहले एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए आदमी को घर से बाहर निकलना होता था, आज घर में ही उसको वो एंटरटेनमेंट मिल रहा है.
Fewer people are drawn to this time-consuming art, and the younger generation shows less interest in continuing the practice. Moreover, the spaces for Bahurupia performances, vibrant fairs, royal gatherings, and village celebrations are becoming rarer. Despite the rich history, many Bahurupias struggle to make a living, and the tradition itself risks fading into obscurity. In response to these challenges, efforts to preserve and revive the Bahurupia tradition are underway. Cultural organizations, as well as individual artists, are working to pass down the skills and techniques to younger generations. Workshops are being held, and performances are being organized to raise awareness about the art form. The world of the Bahurupia is one of constant reinvention, an art form that has endured centuries. From the royal courts to the village squares, from espionage to entertainment, these masters of disguise have left an indelible mark on the soul of Rajasthan. But as the world changes, so does the path of the Bahurupia. In the faces of these artists, whether old or young, lies the promise that this living tradition will continue to take on new forms. The art of the Bahurupia is not just about paint and costumes, but about preserving the stories, the values, and the wisdom of an entire culture. It is a celebration of identity, transformation, and the timeless bond between performer and audience. As long as there are those who still see the magic in storytelling, in becoming someone else, the spirit of the Bahurupia will never fade. For this is more than just an art form. It is a living bridge between the past and the present, a testament to the resilience and creativity of those who refuse to be confined by one identity. The sands of Rajasthan may shift, but the art of the Bahurupia will endure, transforming, evolving, and continuing to inspire for generations to come.